Hello viewers, my name is Raghav. I'm studying in class 7. A few weeks before, I did a course conducted by YS or Young Scientist on Android app development. After finishing the course, here I am in front of you with an app designed by me called COVID Se Raksha. Before demonstrating the app, I'd like to thank my YS facilitator Priya Gopinath ma'am and my YS coordinator Padma ma'am. So, COVID Se Raksha is a complete app on COVID 19. It is made considering the current pandemic situation of COVID 19. So, now I will demonstrate my app. I will load my app. So, this is my app called COVID Se Raksha.
An app
So, this is
created
my
by
company.
Vice
I have
Studios in
named
accordance
my
with the
company as
Chief
COS Studio, and I
Connecting
will be
ideas,
giving my
better
apps
innovation.
in the name
An
of my
app done by
company.
V. Raghav Aditya.
So this is the login screen, as you can see. This is specially designed for a feature which I'll be talking about when we talk more about the app. So as you can see, there are two options called "Are you existing user?" then sign in, or there's another option called "You're new to COVID Se Raksha," then sign up now. Now for you, I'm going to demonstrate what happens if you are new to COVID Se Raksha. Now I'll pretend that I'm new to COVID Se Raksha and I'm clicking this checkbox and this screen appears. Now in this screen, I'm going to fill up all my details. First it is name, then the phone number, and then the username. The username is your choice. You can keep it as whatever you want. I just want to keep it as this, and after that after that I have to confirm my password. This is just for security reasons. Now I click submit and it
An
tells
app
that it's
created by
successful,
Vice Studios
which
in
means
accordance
my
with the Chief
password is there.
Connecting
It's
ideas,
saved now.
better
So
innovation.
I also get
An
a
app done by
message,
V. Raghav Aditya.
and the message specifies the username and the password. Now I'm an existing user because I've already signed up. So the username is blah. Yeah. Now I click enter.
Stay healthy and stay safe.
My home
A
screen
message
appears.
from Raghav.
This is just a tiny message that I wanted to convey. So as you can see, I've allowed 7 features in my app. And first and foremost, I'm going to explain the most important feature, which is the self-assessment. As you can see, when I click the self-assessment, this screen appears. There are 5 questions that you have to answer for completing the self-assessment. Now first I'm going to demonstrate what happens if I am at risk. So I'm just giving it like this. Now I'm going to click finish because I have answered all the questions, and it tells that I am in risk, and it also tells me to click a button below to view nearby hospitals. Now I'm going to click OK. When I see down, I can see that a button has popped up. Now when I click this button, this screen opens where there are hospitals, and these hospitals are added by me. So when you click a hospital, you can see the name of the hospital and a small description about the hospital. As you can see, I clicked on the Chettinad Health City and the name has appeared, and there's a short description where it tells that it is permitted to treat COVID. Now to look into more details about the hospital, you can just do a long click, and when you do a long click, you'll be taken to the official website of the hospital. Here you can go through everything in the official website. Now let's go back, and for now I've just added these 4 hospitals, but in the future I will be giving updates where you can expect more hospitals. Now another feature is that this home button. If whenever you click this home button from anywhere in the app, you'll be taken back to the home screen. Now I will demonstrate.
Stay healthy and stay
So
safe.
this is how it
A message
works.
from Raghav.
Next, sometimes your DTH does not work and you just don't get the breaking news and information and the current trending news. So at times like that, you can just click on this live news option, And when you click this option, this screen pops up where you can see these news channels that I have mentioned. So in this you can choose any channel. For now I'm going to choose India Today. When I choose India Today, the news appears. Here I can see all the breaking news and stuff. Now I'm going back to the app. Again on screen.
Stay healthy and stay safe.
So next
A
I'm
message
going to
from
demonstrate the videos. So the videos, these are videos of COVID, and these are also videos that spread the awareness about COVID. So as you can see, there are 5 videos. Now when I click on a video, for example, I want to know what is COVID-19. When I click on that, I come to this part, and here I can see into the video.
Develop pulmonary fibrosis,
So here I
a
can
chronic
see
lung
the
condition
video and I
that
can
can
understand about
severely impair a
COVID-19.
person's quality.
Going back to the app. For now, I've just added these 5 videos, but in future updates, like I told, I will be adding more videos. So stay tuned.
Stay healthy.
The next feature is the Corona status feature. So now at some times you don't understand or you don't know about how many people are affected in your city or near you. At times like that, just don't panic. Click on this Corona status option like this, and when you click on the option, you'll be taken to this website where you can see all these updates upon the COVID-19 cases. You can even do the poll of the day, which I have already done, and you can also see state-wise information. Now, for example, if I am in Madhya Pradesh, then I will be able to see the reports in Madhya Pradesh. Going back to the app. The next important feature of this app is pictures of Corona. When you click on this option, this Google search appears. Here you can see many COVID pictures. Actually, this is just an easier way. Instead of opening Google and searching as Corona pictures, instead of doing that, you can just click this button and it does that thing automatically. Now, the another option I'm going to talk to you about is tips to stay healthy. When you click on this screen appears, and if you want to know external tips and more tips, then you can just click on this button and you'll be taken to the official website of World Health Organization or WHO. Here you can see how to protect yourself from COVID-19 and how to protect others, some exercises, eating things, recipes, all those things. Now
Stay healthy and stay safe.
the
A
next
message from Raghav.
feature is going to be My Lockdown. This is the most important feature of this app, and I'm going to demonstrate it now. As you can see, there's a photo and there's a video. So if you want to take a photo of your lockdown days and you want to remember it, just click on this camera and you can take a photo, and it will be saved in your mobile phone and it will be visible here. And if you want to take a video, then just click on this video button and the video would be saved in your mobile phone and it would be displayed here. Now if you want to see the video, then just click on this black thing and click this. This is just a video of my brother, but you can see it like this. Another important feature of this app is that your privacy and information are protected inside your mobile phone storage. This includes your login. To summarize, please download the app COVID Se Raksha so that you yourself, your family, your friends can be protected from COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.